Yo, damn, bro. I want to call my grandmother, but I don't even know if Jamaicans got internet. You know what? Let me ask Siri. Like, hey Siri. Do Jamaicans have internet?
Do your mother has a vagina? Yes, we do.
Me Jesus.
Back with your fucking questions again, brother. Really?
I'm sorry.
Really?
Okay, I said I'm sorry.
Really? Man, ask the question. Let me do my job, brother, so I can come off of this shit.
Hey Siri.
Yo.
Can you order me an Uber?
No, but I can order a BMW.
A BMW? What's a BMW?
Better me walk. Humbucklad.
Where did you get this damn Siri from?
Like, you can't walk.
Jesus.
Sure. Order what? Internet service are done.
Hey
Fuck dear.
Siri.
Hello.
Why do Jamaicans cuss so much?
You bumbucklat. Go suck your mother. Stop asking me fuckery.
Hey Siri. Why do Jamaicans...
Now if you listen to you.
Jesus.
Hold that batty man.
I'm sorry, sir. Okay.
Hold that batty man.
Siri.
Stop asking me
I'm just trying to
fuckery.
ask some questions.
Don't ask me no foolishness, brother. Me Jesus. You me can say it too.
Wait, I want to know how hot is it or cold is it out. Hey Siri.
What?
What's the temperature outside?
It hot.
It hot? That's it?
Yeah.
The fuck? Hey Siri. What's the temperature outside?
It hot. It very hot.
Jesus.
So that burn out your ass.
This Siri ain't got no one else, bro. Let me ask her one more. Oh yes, the English Premier League. Hey Siri. How many man you get in the Premier League yesterday? Is that answering me? Hey Siri. How many man you get yesterday in the Premier League? Still not answering me? One more. Hey Siri. How many man... Stop asking me fuckery. Stop asking me.
He needs some milk.
Stop asking. Be a fool, brother. Yeah, batty man. Me not a man you. Me not get man batty boy. Manchester United. Stop asking how much man me get. Me not love man. Come on, man. Batty boy. Me Jesus.